According to the latest data, the focus of COVID-19 disease was the market in Wuhan, China, where it was possible to buy not only seafood, but also the meat of almost any animal. There you can easily buy a bat or pangolin. It is quite possible that the first people with coronavirus got infected this way. Now it is known that the new SARS-CoV-2 virus strain occurred from bats. But to reach humans, the virus needed an immediate carrier, in whose body it would mutate first to be able to infect people after. Pangolins are considered such carriers. This is how SARS-CoV-2 looks. Originally, it was the virus SARS-CoV-1 which mutated inside carrier pangolins. In the process of mutation, the virus has acquired a new protein membrane, which allowed it to penetrate to our cells. That was previously impossible. Mutated viruses began to pose a threat to humanity. However, this is not the first known case of such mutation in our history. Bird flu, swine flu, and Ebola virus were also able to adapt to the human body. The virus, commonly known as HIV, was descended from monkeys. In general, HIV is not as dangerous for them as for humans, because the immune system of monkeys does not perceive this virus as painful as the human body does. In 2009 in Mexico occurred the first outbreak of the H1N1 virus, also known as swine flu. To defeat the virus, people began to massively kill animals trying to avoid an epidemic. But these measures did not help. The virus in the body of pigs mutated and acquired the ability to be transmitted to humans. The latest of the major epidemics is the Ebola, which occurred in West Africa. Natural carriers of the Ebola virus are bats. They became the main source of its distribution. In some African villages, some people are still eating bats. The Ebola virus outbreak in 2014 became the largest epidemic West Africa has faced in the last century. Humans cannot influence the evolution of viruses, and it cannot control their appearance and mutation. But we can direct our efforts to self-education, educate each other, and continue to expand the boundaries of knowledge of the world to be able to resist viruses.